How to remove suggested on Messenger? Here's how. Initially open the Messenger app on a device. Once you are in the app, tap on the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu, click on the settings icon. Then scroll down and select Account Center. Once the Account Center loads, look for your information and permission and open it. Here click on the Upload Contacts and you will see an option for Messenger, so click on it. Again tap on the Upload Contact and hit Turn Off at the bottom. This will stop Messenger from suggesting people based on your phone contact. To delete all your synced contact, tap on Manage Contact. Here you can see all the contacts synced to your account. Finally hit Delete All Contact. This will erase all the synced contact from your Messenger account. That's it, you have successfully removed suggested on Messenger.